This taco is built with tender roasted veggies, blackened salmon grilled to perfection, and topped with a creamy cilantro drizzle. This is definitely a taco that you can enjoy if you're eating clean or watching what you eat. Just like every recipe in the Taco Tuesday cookbook, these fish tacos are made with fresh and whole foods, so you can feel really good about what you're eating without sacrificing flavor. These peppers are gonna get mixed up with onions and charred cherry tomatoes to give this taco all the texture you need. Now, next up, I'm gonna make that cilantro lime dressing. To a blender, I'm gonna add sour cream, milk, lime juice, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and fresh cilantro. Give it a whirl and ta-da, it's done. I love to drizzle my sauces, so I have these condiment bottles around for this very reason. All you have to do is fill it and refrigerate. Next, onto the veggies. So in this large cast iron skillet, I'm gonna heat some oil over medium-high heat. We're gonna toss in the bell peppers, add the sliced onions, and cook them for 5 to 7 minutes until they're tender. While the veggies are cooking, I'm gonna place the cherry tomatoes on a baking sheet, drizzle them with olive oil and a sprinkle of salt, and in the oven they go for 5 to 10 minutes or until they're blackened on all sides. Now while my veggies are cooking, I'm gonna combine some Cajun seasoning and the juice of 1 lime. So I'm just gonna place the seasoning right over our salmon. And now that the seasoning is on the salmon, I'm gonna take the veggies out of the cast iron pan and transfer them onto a plate. We're gonna add a little more oil to the skillet and our seasoned salmon is next. Oh, that sizzle, it's caramelizing the outer salmon and creating that wonderful blackened crust you're gonna love. Just leave your salmon on the pan for 3 to 4 minutes before flipping it, and then flip it and cook the other side for about 5 minutes until their salmon is cooked through. These tomatoes are ready, and don't they look gorgeous? So let's take out the salmon from our skillet onto a sheet pan and give it a coarse chop. If you want to heat your veggies through, now will be the time to toss them back into the hot skillet, even with the flame off, and move on to assembling. I've got some warm tortillas here that I've warmed up over an open flame, but you can, of course, heat them up in the microwave or oven. So let's start with a layer of the pepper and onions, followed by some salmon pieces and the charred tomatoes, some sliced avocado, and a drizzle of our cilantro lime dressing. This taco is all the things. Taco book details and more mouth-watering videos like this one are right below. See you next time.